Hey there, future filmmakers. It's me, your favourite feathery director, here to show you how to record your fabulous face in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. And poof, make that background disappear like last year's fish sticks. Step 1. Open your Adobe file. Got it? Good. Now go to the scene where you want to add your video. Don't just stand there, pick a spot with star power. I like to add a background first. It helps me get into character. Today, I'm starring in Penguin vs. Volcano, The Flippers of Fate. Oh, dramatic. Now click on Media from the menu on the left. Then choose Video. And then, drumroll please, record yourself. Adobe might ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Say allow. Otherwise, it's just you, awkwardly miming in silence. Check your framing. Are you in the middle? Are you smiling? Do you have spinach in your beak? No? Perfect. And don't worry about the background, we're kicking that out after you record. How do I look? I look good, right? The camera loves me. Okay, time to record. Wait, what was my line again? Oh no. This is my worst nightmare. I'm blanking. Cut. I need a snack break. Once you're done, select your recording. You can resize it, move it around, and best of all, click the magic button to remove the background. Poof! Just me and my dramatic flippers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now go forth and create your masterpiece. I'll be here waiting for my Oscar, or at least a snack.